Restore WordPress website from backup using cPanel. This is a step-by-step video, so you can go ahead and follow easily. Now I am inside my cPanel right here, and you can just go ahead and navigate through your file manager. Now let's assume that you have a backup file on your computer or in a safe folder somewhere, and you want to transfer it from the cPanel. Now you can just go ahead and click on the public HTML, and once inside, you then want to go ahead and click on settings. Inside settings, click on show hidden files, click on save, and in here you can just go ahead and select all of these files right here, and you want to go ahead and delete them. Right after deleting all of these files, you can just go ahead and put all of your backup files inside this specific folder, which is the public_HTML, and you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.